Children who have never imagined they would truly fly on a plane to explore the sky views, to see the sea beach. This is like a flight toward fulfilling their elusive dreams. Flying on the plane for the first time in life and seeing the countryside from a bird's eye view is a different kind of enthusiastic feeling. Novair has organized the Dream Flight with 30 underprivileged children. On Wednesday, as part of the 12th anniversary celebrations, the airlines took these school children on a dream flight to Cox's Bazar. The children also took part in the beach cleaning campaign at the sea beach. The managing director of Novair, Mafizur Rahman, said, "Children are the future of the nation. This initiative, under the CSR program, aims to inspire and fulfill their dreams."
সুবিধা বঞ্চিত বাচ্চাগুলো এরা হয়তো কেউ কল্পনা করেনি যে তারা আকাশপথে উঠতে পারবে।
The children were flown from Dhaka to Cox's Bazar on Wednesday morning. After visiting country's biggest sea beach, they returned to Dhaka in the evening. They expressed their feelings, saying Novair has made their dreams come true that they never thought to be possible. Taranum Shahid, English Desk, ATN News.